In C#, you can combine LINQ query methods. So here you can see I am using a where method here. And what this does is it takes in the parameter P, and you might be wondering what P is. P is the person class that we create here. So you can see we're doing people, which is a variable name here. And since this is a list, we are passing in each instance. So you can see I've got different people here. So each of them gets passed here as P. You can use anything here. So basically I've coded P because that's the preferred for the standard way of naming your variables as part of a lambda expression. So here, this is the lambda operator, and we are passing it down. And what we are doing is once we get that P, we are then saying is key town equal to London, or if the country equal to Spain. If it is, then basically that return this part over here returns true. So it will either return true or false. Then the next LINQ query method is executed, which is order by descending. And then again, notice here we are getting the P, and we've got the lambda operator. P is basically again the same person. So each instance of the item person here, which is a list, gets passed over here again, and then the lambda operator is used. Lambda operator is basically a shorthand for writing a function, and here we get the name. And since this is order by descending, what it will do is whoever meets the criteria of London and Spain, which is basically the first two instances here of the person class, these two would get passed here. And since it's descending, Jamie would appear first and then Ali. Now, to do ascending order, there is no, so if you're thinking about SQL and you might write ascending or descending as such, this doesn't work in C#. You actually have to use the correct method. So here you can see if I do order by, and if I do that, you've got two options here, which is either use order by here, which is ascending, or you can use order by descending over here. So by using order by, it will use ascending for the name. But if you want descending, then you have to do the descending method over here. And then this will sort it in descending order. So if I run this code over here just to print out the names, and you can see it's sorted, printed out Jamie first and then Ali, because we have used the descending method here. So this is how you combine your LINQ query methods. I just keep on adding in the dot operator over here and the next method name.